and you're entering something, then clear. Everything is happening. It is fine. So is this understanding? So what I'm trying to doing is here in this calculator. If you want, you can give. Tell me something. This is also next. Better I can give the good font over there. Simple. Style background color. I'm trying to apply some background color over there, and color will be white. Font style. Font style anyway italic. Body, the complete division is italic automatically. Font style is italic, but I'm trying to writing some inline style to overcome the background color and color. Then it will not listen to the internal style. It will listen the inline style, simple calculator. Okay, the simple calculator also I want to give some border radius, p pixel and 10 pixel. 40 pixel for two corners, opposite corners, and 10 pixel for opposite two corners. Then it will be whatever it may be. Okay. But for this one, this background color is not good. You can go for different color. Okay, so you can check it out how these things are going to be happening. Is this clear how the simple calculator is going to be established?
Yes.
Now you can check.
Move that box in center without using center tag.
Which box? This box.
Yes, sir.
No,
calculator box.
No, center tag is compulsory. Center tag is compulsory to move to the center.
Sir, simple. My calculator was on the right. Left top of the screen.
Okay.
I want to move it in the center.
Left top on the screen.
Is there any tag in CSS?
No. Only center tag you can go for, or you can go for float center. There is a concept called.
Sir, what?
There is a concept called floating. So let me show how the thing is working. I'm taking a new thing and save it as a float concept. Okay, there is a concept called float. Since CSS one property is there called float, but you people get confused when I'm using a float concept here. But let me try to explain it. There is a division. Okay, there is a division, but for this division, I want to write some style sheet. Okay, for division, I want to give a background color, light green, and width of the division is 100 pixel. Height of the division is 100 pixels. Just a box basically. Now we are actually taking a simple box here. That's a division. Can you see and observe? There is one simple division is available.
Yes.
There is one simple division is available. Now my requirement is this. By default, this is float left. But what I'm trying to doing is I'm trying to giving the float right. When I'm saying float right, it is actually floating to right side. Right side of the screen, it is going. Right side of the screen, it is going. There is no concept of float up and float down. Float left, float right. Or you can go for float center. Let me check. Float center is available or not? I don't know. Float center is not there. Only left and right is available. Float center is not a property. Float center is not a property. Either you can do left or you can do right. Is it clear?
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So let me have another division. division ID is equal to 1. Let me have another division. Division ID is equal to 2. This left is automatically works, but for right, I want to do one thing. Okay, this one, first one is left float, and the second one is right float. Light blue color I'm giving for this. And this is the right float. Then after, I have another division called third division. This is ID 3. ID 3. For ID, so this is the ID dot 1. Sorry, ID means hash 1 and hash 2 and hash 3. I don't have any float. For hash 3, I'm not writing any float. I'm just removing the float property for the ID 3. So now tell me, what is the output of these 3 divisions? Okay, this is having some other color. Let me go for this color. Now we have 3 divisions. First division, floating left. Even you not say the property, it will go left. Second division, we have right. I am actually specifying. Please go for right side. But third division, I'm not saying anything. Then imagine what is about third division. How the third division will be assigned with. How the third division will be assigned with. Where is the third division?
Hidden behind first.
Huh?
Hidden behind first.
Hidden behind first. No. Here for third division, I need to remove the float. Automatically, second division float is working. When second division float is working, automatically third division get. Okay, sorry. Here we have some syntax issue. Can you please go and check it? We have some syntax issue over there. Please save it first of all. Save, launch it. Okay, so we have two, but what is happening? The third division, what is coming? Blue color is coming. But what about this one? This is not able to adjust properly. Third division not able to adjust properly. Then float clear both, you can say. Clear both property, you can say. So now third division, which is not going to be disturbed with the left or right, it will go in a proper manner. Maybe it will work. Okay. Third one, which is not affecting by the float. You can see this?
Yes, sir.
See, after these 2 divisions, what my requirement is, I want to take a paragraph, sir. Okay, I want to take a paragraph. This paragraph should not affect with the float. I don't want to affect with the float. This paragraph, for example, there is a big paragraph. This particular paragraph should not affect with the float concept. Then this paragraph, how to adjust? One box will go left, one box will go right. But what about the third box, third element? Third element should not disturb with the float. Then I can go with the clear both property. When I apply clear both property, now the problem is this paragraph is having some width and height issue. Now you can remove the width of the paragraph here. So I'm giving width and height now. Now this is going to be having something. Background color is okay. Now font style it. Now you can see this paragraph should not get disturbed with the top elements. This paragraph is automatically go with the normal way. The remaining page, whatever we have, that page can be utilized now. The remaining page, whatever we have, that page can be utilized now. Is this understandable?
Yes, sir.
See, is for example, on this particular division, I'll place one image as a logo. Can I place a logo over there? IMG SRC. Let me take a logo here. Let me take a logo here inside this. Okay, that's let me take a logo. Okay, save this image as desktop. What is our folder today? 4x9.
Four.
1. This image is 1.png. Let me save it. Now access 1.png here. 1.png. So this is a local file. I am loading from local. Now for the first division, the background color, whatever we have, that should be making as a white background. White background means automatically you cannot able to see anything. Only I can able to see the logo. There is no background, only logo I can see. But logo width and height is very much big than division. And image width and height, I want to make it adjust. Image also should be adjusted with width and height. Width is
100 pixel.
So when I say auto, what is happening? Let me check. Or width I can space inherit from super element. Inherit from super element. The width of the image inheriting from the super element. Then automatically it is fitting for the fitting as logo, but this logo is not a pure PNG logo. What kind of this one? Copy image link. Let me give the image link here. It's a smaller one. Some background is coming up. Better you can take a PNG images for that. Now logo is there. Now here this blue color icons are there. Now these blue color icons I want to take as a spans. Can I go for spans here for some menu kind of things, menu icons kind of things. Okay, so for div 2, let me take a span here. This much size is required for that. For first one also, that much size is required. One and this. Can I go for the 50 or 60 pixel? Let's see how this is working. This also 50 and 50. Span, this one is a span. Span is a container again. Span is a container again. I will take a multiple spans now. I will take a multiple spans in the float, right? Why? Because my menu item should be available there. Okay, so this is a menu item. Let me treat these things as a menu item. This is a logo. And here some menu item is available. Okay, this blue color one, can I go for the multiple blues? Let me take this one as a class. Class 2. Okay, can I take multiple spans here? So the span title is home kind of. I'm taking a 4 spans here. So what my requirement is for all these spans, width of the element is 150, height of the element is 50 or 40. And let me give the margin, all sides margin I want to apply. Margin. Okay, so 10 pixel margin all sides. And border radius 5 pixel. Okay, so let's see how this is working. This one. What is happening? Float is missing. margin, okay. Where is the float here? Two.
Sir,
Two is a class. No. Two is a class, not ID. Na? CSS is not working. Now this time two is the class, not ID. All twos float left. Sorry, float right. All twos float right side. Okay, that is good. Now spans height is too much. Huh? Width of the element is 100 pixels. Margin 5 pixels. Color of the element white. Text align center. See, some of the properties we have to apply. So based on the requirement, you have to go for that. Now looking good. Padding. Here is the padding. Padding is there.
no padding.
Padding. Height is too much, I think so. Width also that is not required. Better you can able to adjust the text and boxes very clear. Now border radius got applied. Border radius got applied. Everything is good, but based on this logo width and height, you have to adjust this content. Anyway, paragraph should be starting after the 100 pixel only. That is the problem. So then you can give some padding for that. Can I give some padding for them? Then automatically some inner space is going to be omitting for that. Then it feel good. Anyway, border radius got applied. Okay, based on the requirement. See, this is 100. This is the original size of the website. Can you see? This is the original size, 100%.
Yes, sir.
So we have a logo, we have the nav bar, and we have the paragraph. After the paragraph, okay, so you may imagine, sir, I need some images. After the paragraph, I want to take one more paragraph. Paragraph background color is not good, sir. Background color is good, but text color is not good. Color. So kind of implementation. See, you try to write some, create some kind of a web page using with the float kind of concept. Okay, so for this paragraph, can I give some margin top? Paragraph is 3, yeah. Okay, let me give as class. When I give class, I can took multiple paragraphs. When I take a class, I can took multiple paragraphs, right? With the same class. Okay, so I'm taking multiple paragraphs. Some kind of text I'm going to be providing inside the web page. Let me take a multiple paragraphs over there. Kind of text. Okay. But this is position. All these elements are positioned in the normal position. Whenever you want to go with the position fixed, then that particular header will be fixed for you. That is okay. Now tell me, after the logo, I want to give some heading kind of thing. What I can do? Welcome to full stack web development. I want to write. Then what I can do? After heading, where is this? This one is a logo, na?
After span.
Full stack development. I'm writing here. Let me check how it is going to be working with. After the logo, we need to pick. Okay, welcome to that. Width and height is a problem. See, for H1, maybe I'm giving this one. This division, I'm writing something. That is the problem. So let me take this one after the div. Div is okay. After the div only I need to provide. But when I say H1, this is the block level element. That is the problem again. It will come
Sir,
after
you
the.
have right at the start.
Yeah, now we are in the float left now.
Sir, both were written in div.
See, already division is having some style in the bottom. That style will apply for the division. One is there now, that is working with the float left, and that is having width and height 50-50 only. That is for division. Whenever you write inside the division, every element inside the parent follows the parent style. Even H1 also follows the parent style. Why? Because of parent have some style called width and height 50-50. That is the problem. That is the why reason I am writing outside. That is the why reason I am writing outside. So better you cannot take your H1s like this. You can take this image also you put in a span, then you can take another span. That is good. Automatically both are coming in the float left. So you try to implement that. So this is going on basically. Whenever I am going with the float concept, it will go like a web page. So it will go like creating a web page. You can try to implement a header kind of concept here, like welcome to full stack development or welcome to React development, some kind of thing. Is this clear? How you can able to work with the float?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we're done with the calculator, we're done with the float, we're done with the things. Yeah. So let us have a multiple other kind of concepts also. Like we will be having one more important concept in coming classes, like operators, loops, conditions, and date methods, then timer method, and timeout method, and random function. And after this things, we will go through the JSON concept. Then I'll go for the advanced JavaScript. Advanced CSS first, then advanced JavaScript. And before that, HTML5 also. But in this week, most probably within 3 days, we will complete all these things: operators, loops, and conditions, like Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Friday, I'll take a new concept like HTML5. And coming week, we will go through the CSS3 and JS6. Then we will move to the React.js. See, step by step, I just want to go for. And Bootstrap and jQuery also there. In coming week, we will go through all these things, like advanced concepts and all. This week, we have tried to do practice with more and more JavaScript. So, is JavaScript is simple? Now you try to understand some
Yes, sir.
kind of JavaScript. Okay. So in middle, I go to the float concept. Okay, fine. But calculator, try to observe the calculator. So now you can check where you are doing the mistakes with calculator, where you people are actually doing mistakes with the calculator. Functionality is important. So design and all, okay, fine, no problem. Design CSS, that is not a mandatory thing. My important mandatory thing is try to understand the JavaScript whenever you are writing a variable name, how to write. And whenever you want to convert those particular strings from the text boxes into integers, what method I need to apply. And for all the kind of operations, what is a button action and how to perform multiple kind of things in the button action. All these things you have to understand. So try to imagine with any kind of calculators, like you can go with the temperature calculator, you can go with the salary calculator, apply some bonus percentage, apply some reduction percentage, apply some TDS percentage, apply some income tax percentage, whatever it may be. You can go with the employee salary calculator kind of thing using by JavaScript. Okay. So try to implement more and more try to implement more and more assignments on this calculator way. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. And we will go through the operators tomorrow. Operators, loops, and condition only one day. Date, timer, timeout, random, and JSON. Yeah, 3 days. It will go for 3 days, whatever it may be. All these are basic concepts. Try to remember all these things. Let's continue tomorrow. I'll upload the recorded sessions.
Yes, sir.
And
Thank you, sir.
tomorrow I want to see one more time your assignments. Tomorrow morning, please send again your assignments by seeing the program. Today I will upload the program, calculator program. Try to implement by yourself, but everybody has to execute the output.
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow. So
Yes,
see,
sir.
last time just I'm checking about your skill, but this time I already done the calculator. Now you see my program and observe the program, write down in the notes. Then you do in Visual Studio Code by yourself without seeing the code. First 1 time, 2 time, watch my code. Then 3rd time, without seeing my code, without copy paste, you have to write down the program, implement step by step. Then automatically everything will come. First implement addition, sir. If addition is working, automatically everything will come. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So have a good day, sir. We'll meet again tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Signing off. Thank you.
Sir, mine was done.
Yeah, you're done. You're done. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.